Collaborating on game ideas has never been easier. With the whiteboard feature, you can brainstorm, plan, and refine your projects, all in real time. Add text, shapes, images, or sticky notes to map out your vision. Your session is automatically saved on your team's account to keep a record of your work. Stay organized by grouping related elements together, or use different colors for categories. Invite team members to join you live. They can add their input in real time. No extra software is needed. Need to highlight key points? Use the drawing tools to sketch directly on the board. The whiteboard feature makes collaboration seamless and fun. Whether you're refining game mechanics, planning your marketing strategy, or brainstorming your next game, we've got you covered.